The Golden Calf, a story of patience, pressure, and consequences. Imagine a people walking through a vast, dry wilderness, tired, uncertain, but newly free. These are the children of Israel, rescued from slavery and learning how to live in freedom for the first time. Their leader, Moses, has gone up a mountain to meet with God. At first, the people wait patiently, but as days stretch into weeks, their patience begins to wear thin. The silence from the mountain makes them uneasy. Questions begin to rise in their hearts. Where is Moses? Has something happened to him? Are we alone out here? Fear slowly turns into pressure. They gather around Aaron, Moses' brother, and demand, "Make us a god we can see, something that will lead us." Aaron knows this is wrong, but the voices are many and the pressure is strong. Instead of standing firm, he gives in. He tells them to bring their gold, earrings, ornaments, anything valuable. They hand it over willingly. Aaron melts the gold in fire, shapes it, and forms a calf. And then something shocking happens. The people look at the golden image and say, "This is our God who brought us out of Egypt." They begin to celebrate. There is singing, dancing, and excitement. But in that moment, they forget the God who had just rescued them. They replace truth with something they can see and control. Meanwhile, on the mountain, Moses is in the presence of God, receiving the 10 Commandments, laws meant to guide the people into a life of purpose, order, and relationship with God. But suddenly, God tells Moses, "Go down, the people have turned away." Moses quickly makes his way down the mountain, carrying the stone tablets written by God himself. As he gets closer, he hears noise, singing, shouting, and then he sees it. The golden calf, the dancing, the celebration. In an instant, his heart fills with anger and deep sorrow. The very people he is leading have turned away so quickly. Overwhelmed, Moses throws the stone tablets to the ground, and they shatter into pieces. It is more than broken stone. It is a broken trust, a broken covenant between God and his people. The celebration stops. The music fades. Reality hits. The people realize their mistake. They allowed fear to control them. They allowed pressure to guide their choices. They acted too quickly and forgot what truly mattered. This story is a powerful reminder. Sometimes waiting is hard. Silence can feel uncomfortable, but impatience can lead us into wrong decisions. And pressure, especially from others, can push us to compromise what we know is right. The children of Israel learned that day that not everything we create to feel safe is truly good for us. And even today, the lesson remains clear. Trust is not always easy, but it is always necessary. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you.